Comprehensive review of the DJI Mini 3 Pro, compact drone with advanced features. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is a lightweight, feature-packed drone designed for aerial photography enthusiasts and professional creators alike. It stands out with its compact design, enhanced camera performance, and user-friendly controls. Here's an objective review of its strengths and potential shortcomings. Equipped with a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, the Mini 3 Pro delivers stunning 4K HDR video and 48MP still photos. The large aperture and dual native ISO enhance low-light performance, while the ability to shoot vertical videos is perfect for social media creators. The drone includes intelligent features like focus track, ActiveTrack, spotlight, and point of interest, obstacle avoidance sensors, and quick shots for automated cinematic movements. These tools make capturing professional-grade content easier for beginners and experienced users. Weighing under 249 grams, the Mini 3 Pro is easy to transport and doesn't require FAA registration in the US. Its foldable design enhances portability, making it ideal for travelers and outdoor enthusiasts. While the Mini 3 Pro is feature-rich, it comes at a premium price compared to other compact drones. For those on a budget or casual users, the cost may be a deterrent, especially when considering optional add-ons like extra batteries or the DJI RC controller. Due to its lightweight design, the drone may struggle in strong wind conditions compared to larger, heavier models. This limitation can affect flight stability and camera performance in adverse weather. The standard battery provides up to 34 minutes of flight time, which is decent but not groundbreaking. While an optional extended battery increases flight time, it adds extra cost and weight, potentially exceeding the 249-gram threshold. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is an excellent choice for users seeking a compact, high-quality drone with advanced features. Its impressive camera capabilities, intelligent flight modes, and lightweight design make it ideal for creators who value portability and performance. However, its premium price, limited wind resistance, and average battery life might not appeal to casual users or those on a tight budget.